2025 BMW 5 Series. Starting at $59 est. Highs. Contemporary looks, upscale and modern interior, great turbo 4 powertrain. Lows. Tech comes with a learning curve, muted steering feel, high price of entry. Verdict. BMW's midsizer isn't as sharp as the best 5 Series models of yesteryear, but it offers drivers comfortable, upscale accommodations and leading-edge technology. Overview. The 2025 BMW 5 Series has lost some of the sports sedan sharpness that previous generations offered, but it remains a solid choice among midsize luxury sedans for its high-end cabin and modern tech. It lives in the comfortable middle of the BMW sedan lineup, above the compact 3 Series and below the large and ultra-luxurious 7 Series. Plush seats front and rear are great for commuting and road tripping alike, and the dashboard is filled with digital displays to keep the driver informed and passengers entertained. A turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is standard, but you can upgrade to either a turbocharged inline-6 or a plug-in hybrid powertrain with 483 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard on all but the base model. The good news is that BMW has engineered at least some of the driving verve back into its executive sedan. It will be left to the upcoming M5 sports sedan, reviewed separately, to bring a full serving of horsepower, athleticism, and thrills to the 5ER family, and we have no doubt that it will. For those who care to merely bask in quiet comfort, the 5 Series will satisfy just as well as its rivals, the Audi A6, Genesis G80, and Mercedes-Benz E-Class. What's new for 2025? Coming off a complete redesign for 2024, the 2025 5 Series sees minimal changes. However, BMW is adding the range-topping 550e model to the lineup this year, and it comes with a 483 HP plug-in hybrid powertrain that consists of a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6, an electric motor, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 BMW 5 Series is expected to start around $59 and go up to $75 depending on the trim and options. 530i. $59,000, est. 530i xdrive. $62,000, est. 540i xdrive. $66,000, est. 550e xdrive. $75,000, est. Although the 5 Series was redesigned just last year, it's being offered with familiar powertrains and trim levels, starting with an entry-level 530i model, and culminating in a plug-in hybrid 550e xdrive trim. But our favorite setup in the last generation model was the inline-6 540i, and we're inclined to recommend that one again. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 5 Series is offered in 530i, 540i, and 550e guises, with the 530i getting a 255 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder and either rear or all-wheel drive. The 540i comes with all-wheel drive standard as well as a 375 HP turbocharged inline-6. Both are augmented by a 48-volt hybrid system. The plug-in hybrid 550e is powered by an inline-6 and an electric motor that combine for 483 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard. In our experience with the 530i, the ride is smooth but still provides a sense of subtle athleticism. Cornering grip is reasonable, especially with the M Sport package's upgraded suspension. Speaking of the M Sport package, it also adds better brakes, which resulted in a heroic 156-foot stop from 70 miles per hour at our test track. 0-60 mph times. In instrumented testing, the all-wheel drive 530i xdrive hit 60 miles per hour in 5.5 seconds. BMW says the 540i should be powerful enough to get to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds, and the company says the 550e can do it in 4.0 seconds. When we get a chance to drive the 540i and 550e models, we'll update the story with test results. Range, charging, and battery life. The 550e xDrive plug-in hybrid is fitted with a 19.4 kWh battery pack that we think will provide around 40 miles of driving range per charge. When we get a chance to test it for ourselves, we'll update the story with real-world results. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA estimates that the 4-cylinder 530i should provide fuel economy of 27 mpg city and 35 mpg highway. The 540i is rated for 26 mpg city and 33 mpg highway. Estimates for the plug-in hybrid 550e have not been released. On our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, the 530i xDrive returned 35 mpg. For more information about the 5 Series fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside the 5 Series cabin, there is plenty of room for adult riders to get comfortable in the front and rear seats, and the interior looks appropriately deluxe. While genuine leather upholstery remains an option, BMW also offers a vegan-friendly option called Veganza. All models come with an automatic climate control system with vents that are cleverly integrated into the dashboard designed to hide them from view. A tilt and slide sunroof is standard, but you can also opt for a large, fixed glass roof that extends into the rear seat area. The optional luxury seating package adds heated and ventilated front seats with more power adjustments and a massage feature. The premium package adds a heated steering wheel, a head-up display, and more, and the executive package includes the panoramic glass roof as well as power rear sunshade, glass interior controls, and an interior camera. Infotainment and connectivity. All 5 Series models come with a large curved digital panel that incorporates a 12.3-inch reconfigurable gauge display and a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. The system is already in use in other BMW models such as the 7 Series sedan and the 9 electric SUV and has proven quite intuitive in our experience. A head-up display is optional, but all models come standard with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a Harman/Kardon stereo system, and a video game system BMW calls Air Console that can only be used when the car is parked. Safety and driver assistance features. The 5 Series offers the expected driver assistance features as standard, including automated emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, but more advanced features including BMW's Highway Assistant hands-free driving mode are optional. For more information about the 5 Series crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with hands-free driving mode, warranty and maintenance coverage. BMW's warranty and complimentary scheduled maintenance are about average for the segment but fall short of what's offered on the Jaguar XF. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary scheduled maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.